The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rabun County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Macon County in western North Carolina, southwestern Transylvania County in western North Carolina, southeastern Jackson County in western North Carolina, north-central Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:12 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 19 miles north of Walhalla, or 4 miles southeast of Cashiers, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts and golf ball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Locations impacted include Highlands, Sky Valley, Cashiers, Gorges State Park, Oconee State Park, Mountain Rest, Sapphire, Bad Creek, Pine Mountain, and Whiteside Mountain. Along with large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.